Пиздец. Братан немножко устал.
So here we are, damn it, walking, damn it. Mines, more mines.
These are the realities we face on the Kursk front. FPV drones give us no peace. We're still lucky compared to our truck, which burned to the ground completely. A special hello to the commanders of the 810th Marine Brigade, who abandoned us to fend for ourselves, says Russian soldier.
So here we are, damn it, walking, damn it. Mines, more mines.
О, май. Таким бы. Таким бы. Пиздец. It's a little tight. Братан немножко устал.
There is an epitome of hepatitis among the invaders all along the front line in Zaporizhia 1. Wonder how it spread? Bottom line, Andrei paid $50,000 to his commander to sit out in the rear while waiting for a possible Ukrainian attack. I am now in the hospital, in Tokmak. There is a hepatitis epidemic along the entire front line of the Zaporizhia region. They did not want to let me go just like that, but for 50,000 rubles, this issue is resolved with the company commander. According to our intelligence, the enemy is preparing the 108th Separate Brigade, whose personnel have been training for a long time in the West and have already set up positions. Also, new equipment is visible from the drones, tanks, Bradleys, and many Hummers. As a result, we, sick and tired, will be thrown into battle against an enemy who has everything. Thank God I've run away for now, and I hope I won't come back. The third year of the war from the beginning of the Russian invasion, they fantasized about Kyiv, robots, the armadas are driving, the Su-57s are flying, we will bomb everyone. Reality, loaves of bread, assault cyclists, lancers and combat priests. Shoigu's fantasy film turned out to be the cartoon. The cost of U.S. aid to Ukraine is half the official estimates, says economists for Ukraine. The actual cost of U.S. military aid to Ukraine is $18.3 billion instead of the more than $60 billion declared in Washington. The main reason for the disagreement is the overestimation of old American equipment. Ukraine's parliament, including the opposition, voted unanimously to affirm that Zelensky's mandate as president remains legitimate, that no elections can be held because of a war started by Putin, and that a general election will be held as soon as the war ends. So much for dictator. Trump. $350 billion, lots of military equipment, and the right to keep fighting. Trump responded to a journalist asking what Ukraine will get from the mineral deal. He is likely referring to what he thinks the U.S. has already provided, claiming it's $350 billion.
Mineral deal. What does Ukraine get in return to President?
$350 billion and lots of equipment, military equipment, and the right to fight on, and originally the right to fight. Look, Ukraine, I will say they're very brave and they're good soldiers, but without the United States and its money and its military equipment, this war would have been over in a very short period of time. In fact,
Attention, Russian propagandist Soloviev. Soloviev sings his disgusting Solove, Russian for Nightingale songs, every day. I'd shoot him on the front line if he showed up there. A Russian soldier accused propagandists of lying and working in the interests of the U.S. He said he was personally ready to kill propagandist Soloviev for lying about what was happening at the front, adding that he had never seen him on the front line.
Россия сегодня за Родину, за смерть, за Путина.
К сожалению, средства массовой информации не доводят правду, истину до народа России. Главная задача средств массовой информации должна быть работать в интересах России, в интересах народа России. Они этого не делают, они работают в интересах своих хозяев. И вот мы вернемся вот,
Слава СССР написали.
к Дональду Трампу. Да, 20 января Дональд Трамп принял присягу и в очередной раз стал 47-м президентом, да, США.
Трампомания 2,
Да,
Саша.
да,
Трампомания 2.
и началась у нас в средствах массовой информации сразу.
Расскажи, как ребята там
активно,
восприняли
да.
на
Вот
передовой.
я это
да.
пытаюсь рассказать. Да. Вот сегодня вот упоминали Скобееву, вот Соловьева, да, вот соловьиные песни, он каждый день поет свои ублюдские эти Я бы его точно там на передовой расстрелял, то есть он появился бы там, сразу бы пулю в лоб пустил.
Подожди, это кого?
Соловьем.
А,
Это
Соловьева?
экстремист, Саша.
Ты сказал, песни поет, я подумал,
Ну, соловьиный.
все понятно.
Бывает, что там на передовой, что-то я его там не видел ни разу на передовой.
NASAM's air defense missile systems, which are in service with the Ukrainian Air Force, have destroyed about 900 air targets. This is reported by Aftenposten with reference to the Norwegian military. According to Colonel Per Steinar Toit, head of the Norwegian Air Force's support group for Ukraine, NASAMS is 94% effective. It is noted that almost 60% of the downed targets are cruise missiles. It is not specified which missiles were used. Possible options include AIM-120 AMRAAM, AMRAAM-ER, and AIM-9X Sidewinder. NASAMS is a Norwegian-American medium-range air defense missile system produced by a consortium of the American Raytheon Technologies and the Norwegian Kongsberg. The complex includes launchers and radars. Raytheon AN/MPQ-64F1 Sentinel from the Raytheon and Kongsberg Consortium. The main tactical unit of NASAMS is a battery. It is known from open sources that Ukraine has about 12 batteries at its disposal. The composition of a battery can vary, but it usually consists of 3 firing units, each of which includes 2 to 3 missile launchers, one AN/MPQ, 64 F1 improved Sentinel radar, 1 control vehicle, and 1 vehicle with an MSP-500 optical station. Each mobile launcher has 6 containers with anti-aircraft missiles. The firing range of the anti-aircraft system in the NASAMS 2 configuration is up to 25 kilometers, and the altitude range is up to 14 to 15 kilometers. The latest version of NASAMS 3 is capable of hitting targets at a distance of up to 40 kilometers. The air defense system uses short and medium-range air-to-air missiles, such as the AIM-9 Sidewinder and AIM-120 AMRAAM, to engage air targets. The AIM-120 is one of the most widely used air-to-air missiles in the world. The stockpile of manufactured missiles of this series exceeds the number of any other missiles in its class, which is an important criterion in the context of active use of these munitions. The Argentine Air Force has officially unveiled its first F-16BM multi-role fighter purchased from Denmark. It is worth noting that the aircraft is intended for training ground personnel and will not be used for flights. At the presentation, the aircraft was equipped with AIM-9 ML Sidewinder, AIM-120B AMRAAM, and Argentine FAS-850 Dardo 3 guided air-to-air missiles. Under the agreement, the first F-16 combat aircraft will be delivered in 2025. Then Argentina will receive 6 units. After that, 6 F-16s will be delivered annually until the end of 2028.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.